What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new update on NOT. Which I wanted to cover. I did not cover it yesterday because in general, yesterday the price was still quite bearish. Like the price was down here. It was already showing signs of some sort of recovery, right? So we had that drop down into 1.25 cents. And then we did have some bullish breakouts here above 1.4 and 1.45 cents. And I have talked about this, all right, in the Telegram group and on X. I've been tweeting and posting about NOT, but the thing is that what you saw with the videos as well is that just less people were interested in it. All right, so right now I think we've actually had some more significant moves. So I wanted to give you my thoughts. So let's get right into it. So first of all, one thing I'd like to point out, I'd like to talk a little bit about the fundamentals for NOT. So one thing you see right now is that the volume is actually very, very decent again. It's $500 million in the last 24 hours. So that's, for example, it's in the top 3 in the last hour, and it's in the top 6 in the last 8 hours. So that's great, all right? That actually means that we have more volume being traded in NOT. I also think fundamentally, look, a lot of the success of NOT, and if we can really rally and get a real bull run, will depend on what Bitcoin does. But what we can already see is that TON is actually holding on relatively well, right? It's not moving much, but it's holding on to its uptrend right here, or at least it's consolidating. So that's great, all right? Because TON is obviously the main ecosystem that NOT kind of lives in. And historically, a bullish TON has also led to a bullish NOT. Not always, but historically. So yeah, and then you look at the technical structure right here, and I would say it's fairly bullish, all right? You can see that we got those major bullish breakouts above 1.45 and 1.5 cents, and then today we also broke above the 200 EMA, or at least overnight. I missed that, but still broke above that, and you can see that we are forming a bullish market structure right here. So then the main question is, or at least I think the main question is all right, well, can this actually turn into a real rally? As far as this isn't a real rally. This is already a decent rally. Like from the bottom right here to the top we made earlier this hour, it's already plus 30% move. But if you zoom out to the 4-hour time frame, this still, I would say this isn't a rally, right? This could also still be a move up to the top of some sort of range that will reject at the top of that range, and that will get back into some sort of a consolidation. So for me, there's two things that kind of can determine whether this is going to be a real rally or just a move up to the top of the range and then a dump. And the first one is obviously Bitcoin. Like if Bitcoin gets a bullish breakout here and turns bullish, the momentum of that will also mean something for NOT. So that's something we'll have to see. And then apart from that, if you look at NOT itself, every time NOT really rallied, so that's two times, I think. The first time right here, the big rally at the start of June and the end of May. And then the second one right here in the middle of June until we got that dump. Again, the 16th, or the 17th, excuse me. So those were the two main rallies. Every time that happened, and I'll show you that right here. Every time that happened, we had huge momentum increases, all right? And right now we do have a momentum increase, so it's a good start, but I don't think it's big enough yet, all right? I think we need to see more momentum than this, and if you cannot follow the open interest, which for those of you just watching on your mobile, it's a bit more difficult, I would say to get a real rally, we need some sort of a breakout above 1.7 cents. If we break above that, we can easily rally back up to 1.85. We can rally up to 2 cents, for example. That's great, all right? Then we can do that. But we do need to get that breakout. We need more confirmation. For now, I think we are bullish. We can rally up higher, but I think it's more likely that we'll just drop back down into 1.45 and consolidate here in this area. So the best opportunity is obviously watching the breakout, but most likely under these circumstances, I still think is a consolidation. But those are my thoughts. I might change my mind later today. Follow me on X for that. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.